series videos. Today, let's start. Namaste and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue with our Bharatanatyam series videos. We had a lot of festivals, that's why I had stopped making these videos. Also, I was not well for a few days. So let's continue our series. We are done with Adavu and Adavu. If you are here for the first time, then I will leave the link for playlist somewhere here. You can click on that and go to the playlist and check all the videos from the beginning. Let's start with today's Adavu, that is Dhi-dhi-thai. I'll show it once and then break it down for you all. Kitta ta ka Dhi-dhi-thai, 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 Dhi-dhi-thai. We are going to sit in Aramandi, extend our right feet in 45 degrees diagonally, hit our left leg, put more strength, and then come back to our original position. So this is Dhi-dhi-thai Adavu. While doing this, make sure that when you extend your leg, it's diagonally facing and your feet is lifted, like your toes are lifted. And then when you hit your left leg, you don't shift your body weight. You can't do this, you're not jumping. Whereas you're going to extend and hit, you're going to stay here, hit, and then come back. For hand, I've seen a lot of variation. You can keep three pataka, or they also do Mayura Hasta. For some reason, I had learnt it like this. That is, two fingers. You've seen Kartari Mukha. So you're going to not separate your fingers, but join them like this, and sit in your Aramandi, and you're slightly bending. See, you're not bending forward. Make sure you're not doing this. This is wrong. You're sitting here and bending like this, towards your right and left side. Not too much, but slightly you're bending and extending your hand. So we'll do it once. Kitta ta ka Dhi-dhi-thai, 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 Kitta ta ka Dhi-dhi-thai, 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 Kitta ka Dhi-dhi-thai, 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 Dhi-dhi-thai. In the third speed, for me especially, I try very hard to lift my second leg. That is when I do Dhi-dhi-thai. But sometimes, because it's too fast, I usually don't end up lifting. I do Dhi-dhi-thai, Dhi-dhi-thai. This is second speed. When I do Dhi-dhi-thai, Dhi-dhi-thai, I sometimes forget and just tap it like this. I don't say it is wrong or right or this is how it should be done. But I do this. You can also try to lift and hit all the three steps. I'll see you all in the next video. For now, thank you and namaste.